Thanks for watching. I got a Galaxy S6 here. I'm going to show you guys how to replace the battery and get in the backside. Okay, what you're going to do, I have a heat gun. These cost about 20 bucks. And what you're doing is heating around and round. Keep going around like that. Have a brand new razor blade ready. The reason I'm telling you guys what to do, because it's a lot easier than showing you guys what to do with this phone. So keep going round and round. I'd give it about, this is how slow I would go around it. And I would do about maybe 6 passes. Take a brand new razor blade. Only stick it in about 1/4 of an inch. Don't go in all the way because you'll hit some vital wires and stuff like that. And keep your razor blade facing upwards against the back glass, not down towards the cell phone. So you'd want to have it at a flush angle, like parallel with the way it's laying. And you would go round and round and keep cutting around and splitting it because there's a piece of glue around there all the way around. I'll show it to you when I get inside of there. Once you remove that, your back glass will start to come off. I'm going to show you guys how to get inside of a Galaxy S6, quick and easy to replace the battery or the back glass. You're going to take a heat gun and you're going to turn it on, and you're going to keep going round and round until it loosens up the glue. You have about 1/4 inch of glue all the way around. And I've already heated this once already to try to get in there before I started recording. So it's a process, and you keep going round and round. And you take your razor blade and you trim around the edges and only go in about 1/4 inch. You don't want to hit any vital, what do you call them things? Not organs, but you know what I'm talking about. Circuit board stuff. You'll see what to watch out for once I'm inside of there. Okay. Oops. Let me get you guys in the camera. And make sure to cut your razor blade up against the glass this way, not down that way towards the cell phone. So you keep cutting round and round, and just keep a little bit of pressure, but not too much to crack the glass. Splitting it, that'll give you guys an idea of what's going on in there. And it's actually, like, just by me putting pressure like that, it's actually separating it. You could sit here and wait for about maybe a little while, and this works good too, this tool, to get up in there. I know I can't show you guys what's going on there, but there's a piece of glue all the way up in there. There's also another tool they make. Let me grab that. This tool right here, sorry about that. And I can get in there. Oh, maybe you could see what's going on. So you could see that you just need to cut that piece of glue that's holding that piece on. And slowly just let it pry. Once it's heated up to the right amount, if you're not getting it to split, you just got to keep heating it. And this is what I was talking about, just keep your razor blade away and push up against the glass when you're cutting that around. You don't want to hit one of these little wires or something if you're facing downwards. Here's some more over here. So that's the parts you want to avoid on the phone. Once you got this separated, you're just going to unscrew the screws that are on here, and then you're going to get inside. You got a tiny Phillips screwdriver is what's needed. Some of these screws are hiding behind the glue. There's one right there. You could barely see it if you didn't know it was there. And just make sure that you unscrew them all to remove it. I've counted 12 screws here that I've removed, so make sure you get them all. They're all hiding behind the little rubber thing. You're going to want to peel this little antenna thing up and slowly do it. And don't start on this end, you're going to start on this end. And just go slow and it'll peel right up. Once you got that up, you're almost home free into the battery section. Got the antenna up. Next you're going to take your pry bar and you're going to separate the battery from the bezel. You're going into the bezel. See what's going on here. Pushing out the phone to get to the screen section. Just push on it a little bit. There is a glue strip there. You can use your fingernail and just cut around it. Keep pushing it out. And I could be missing a screw here, but I don't think I am. Just slowly push on it. Got that part out. Keep peeling this right here and just give it a shake. Rock it back and forth. There you go. It's coming right out. Take your time. It's just glue holding it. And that little SD card that I forgot to take out. That would help. So eject your SD card. Pull that out. And then you're home Next, free. You're gonna remove the little battery cable. Pop that up. Make sure you don't use metal. Could have sparks flying around. And just use your pry bar and slowly push on it because it's glued on there. Just keep playing with it. Don't push too hard, you'll crack your screen. Take it real slow. Once you can get it to pry, once you got it cracked open a little bit, it should come loose, but I'm having trouble with this one, so I'm gonna use a heat gun. Heat the front, heat the back, maybe it'll separate. I don't wanna heat the front too much. Don't put too much heat on your front glass. Maybe just heat that battery up. It's coming out anyways. I think it'll probably come loose now. It's coming loose, but just a lot of glue. I can't believe how much they glued. Usually these come right out pretty good. Let me try to get a crack open and shoot some heat in there. That might help. Oh yeah, that's helping. That really loosened it up getting in there like that. Yeah, it's coming loose. You guys see that big gap that's coming out? It's almost as if you need one of these pry tools. It's coming. Got it glued around the edges. There it goes. We got glue on two ends. On this end, there's a strip here and a strip here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I get in there. There it goes. So that's where your glue is, right here. You got a glue strip going from here to here and from here to here. So that's the parts you got to target. So that's it. You're inside of the battery. You can order one of these probably on eBay for 10 bucks. Do it yourself. Not too hard. Give it about a level 7 on technical. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you out. Give me a thumbs up.